Home design software comparison. The market for home design software has definitely grown over the past few years. The demand for do-it-yourself designer programs have increased and software developers have responded by coming out with loads of applications to choose from. Below are some of the more popular home design software in the market as well as a brief description for each. Instant Architect. Instant Architect is a home design software designed and developed by MC Design. It is a CAD or computer-aided design program that caters to beginners. Although it may not have all the high-tech features offered by most of its competitors, this program is still able to deliver usable outputs. Creating floor plans, multi-perspective views, cost estimations, and the designing of gardens, bathrooms, kitchens, decks, and entire houses are all available on Instant Architect. Novice users will definitely have a ball using this program as inspiring elevation drawings can be completed in as little as an hour. It also happens to be very affordable. Users can purchase the entire box kit for only around $30.